Tennessee judge is stepping in after families feared a new state policy could put critically ill children on the radar of immigration officials. Good evening, I'm Kelsey Gibbs. The court order temporarily blocks the state from sharing information about immigrant children enrolled in a life-saving state-run healthcare program for low-income children. News Channel 5's Patsy Montesinos first brought you this story in June. Tonight, she follows through and explains what this ruling means for families across Tennessee.
I am 10 years old.
Little Walter was born with spina bifida. He depends on life-saving medical care through a program called Children's Special Services.
They paid everything about Walter for the hospital, for the specialist, for medication, and for diapers.
Walter's family fled Honduras in 2019, seeking asylum and the specialized treatment he desperately needs. His mother, Gabriela, asked we only use her first name, afraid immigration officials could target the family while their asylum case is pending. Since arriving in Tennessee, Walter is one of 400 immigrant kids in the state enrolled in CSS, a last resort health insurance program for low-income children who are very sick.
Well, I received this week.
Last month, Gabriela received a letter warning families they would need to leave the program or have their information shared with immigration enforcement officials after June 30th.
I can't believe how can they do this for these kids. They are kids innocent, you know.
The Tennessee Justice Center says the health department points to a new 2026 law passed with help from the White House requiring immigration verification for public benefits. But after 3 Nashville doctors sued, a Davidson County judge temporarily blocked the policy.
This is a really important order from the court, agreed to by both parties, that these families now can continue to access these services that children like them across the country have accessed since the 1930s.
Under the temporary injunction, the state cannot report children enrolled in CSS to immigration enforcement officials. The order also requires the state to notify and restore coverage for families who left the program after receiving these warning letters.
The program is set up for kids with extremely complex health needs. None of them can go without the health care they need without deteriorating, and some of those deteriorations would be the end of their life.
Kelsey, this ruling will allow children like Walter to regain that life-saving access that they lost.
And Patsy, this temporary injunction will remain in place while the legal challenge moves forward.
That's right, Kelsey. Both parties have agreed to this. However, the Tennessee Department of Health did not admit wrongdoing as part of this agreement. It's also important to know that one of the Republican sponsors, Senator Ed Jackson, told me his understanding was that the law was intended to only apply to adults and not children.
Interesting. Well, we'll know you'll follow it.